So that's how you manipulate the market.
Yeah. But it's
But
tricky.
how do you prove it? How do you prove
It's
it?
tricky. It's very tricky.
Mm.
So you create an illusion of order depth. So don't do it.
So we talked about this before. Do you think the market is safe? Maybe you should think one more time, because the prices can be manipulated right under your nose without you knowing it. And today we're going to reveal the secret world of something called spoofing and layering.
Yeah.
It seems like this is going to be a very important episode, so don't miss this one. And you need to know about this so you don't get fooled on the market. It can be a catastrophic thing for you to happen. So how do we know about this? Kat, our business lawyer, she's going to break it down for us today. Don't miss this, because after this episode, you'll have a clear picture of what this is and how you can avoid it.
Yeah, and we did a whole masterclass about bad investments.
Yes, we did.
So we realized that we need to help you out also to know the fundamental market manipulation, financial crimes,
Which it is.
that will impact you directly as a trader.
Yeah, and we don't not want that to happen.
No.
So what is spoofing and layering?
Yeah. Basically, you want to create a perception about a stock or another security commodity that's not a reality. So let's say I have 100,000 worth of a stock that's traded at $10.
Mm.
And I want to sell it, but I want to sell it at 12.
Uh-huh.
So instead of looking at the bid-ask spread and looking at that 10, which is where it's selling right now, I put an order, a huge order, I'm going to exaggerate, at 15. That creates a perception in the market that, wow, this is a rising stock, right? It's in demand. I want in. So when the market starts moving, I pull the order back because I never intended to buy anything for at 15, right?
Okay.
Because I want to sell. I want to sell high.
Mm-hmm.
So I just put that buy order at 15 to create the illusion of a greater demand of this share in order for the market to act on that illusion. So that when the price goes from 10 and might climb to 11, 12, again, I'm taking the broad picture here, then I can sell.
Mm.
So suddenly I sell at an inflated value due to me placing an order to buy at a higher price that I never intended to follow through, and then I take back before anybody can pull the trigger on it.
So that's how you manipulate the market.
Yeah.
And it's illegal, right?
It is illegal.
I mean, what can happen?
It's tricky. You might think that, but I've changed my mind. I place orders and I pull them back. And I fill or kill orders out there, and iceberg orders, etc., etc. Can I outdo that? Yes, you can. This is when you have the intent to never follow through.
Mm.
So it's okay to change your mind. But it's
How
tricky.
do you prove it? How do you prove
It's
it?
tricky. It's very tricky. Of course, very tricky. And that's why it's still out there. We still have this huge problem with it. But also it can be tempting to feel like, well, it's like chess. I can game the system. Perhaps I can move up if nobody can catch me anyway. So don't do it.
No.
And of course, different jurisdictions will have different assessments, what's legal and not, when it's spoofing, how you prove intent, etc.
Yeah.
Just be clear, be careful. And also, if you are a day trader, typically after a while, you get kind of good at spotting spoofing, actually.
Mm.
And layering, it's actually a form of spoofing.
Mm-hmm.
It's more sophisticated because instead of a big buy or sell order that you pull back, never intended, you place small buy or sell orders. So you create an illusion of order depth that's also unreal with the same intent. I might place small orders on the buy side to create the illusion of order depth that the value of the stock will climb. But really, I don't intend to buy. I pull them back and I intend to sell when the price has increased due to me inflating the price. Yeah. And worst case, if you're caught, you end up in jail. That's the worst case.
Wow.
Or it's worst case. And best case, your account gets shut down and you get kicked out.
That sounds...
So this is a serious criminal offense.
It is.
Yeah.
Whoa. And this is always made on purpose. I mean, it sounds crazy that people still are doing this today.
Yeah. But at the same time, you can understand that you want to kind of game the system.
Yes.
So that's why I'm saying don't be tempted to be too smart about it.
No. I mean, be transparent from the beginning is better.
And know what is legal and not. Know the trading rules.
That's really good. So now we cleared that out. Don't do it. And spoofing and layering. And now you know what it is. Thank you for explaining it so well to us.
Thank you.
Is there anything else we need to add on this?
No. I think that market manipulation, be very mindful, be very careful. Check the trading rules on the platform, the region you're in also to make sure that whatever you do, is within the borders of what is allowed.
Yes, that's good. Thanks for everything today. And this is not legal advice, it's knowledge sharing. And this episode is also powered by LE Fitness.
Hej då!
Hej då!